Art for me is more of an internal journey to discover yourself. It's a desire to stay connected and revisit the place in yourself. When it comes to painting, I like to just go along with how I feel in the moment. I feel it helps to bring out a more honest painting. I always approach this piece of paper without knowing what I'm supposed to draw, so it's always exciting and adventurous to know what comes next. I'm not much of a planner, and I wanted this artwork to be based on intuition, so I didn't really have a plan going into it. For me, what amazes me in the art is that it doesn't have to be obvious. I like to observe various surface textures in nature, and this is how my work evolves by producing my own forms. So I take inspiration from shape and pattern of leaves, rock, swirl in the water, peeling walls, oceans, and whatnot. I like to play with lines and shapes to create beautiful forms, and it looks really beautiful when I combine all the elements of design. I feel doodling is a very easy technique to compile all your thoughts and ideas in just one piece of paper. So here it is, I'm done with my new artwork and this is how it looks. Let me know in the comment section if this video did inspire you to create something of your own. To get an update about my other work, you can always go to my Instagram page at Onima Kashyap and my artwork page is at Onima Creations. Till then, bye, take care.